What's up, guys? Please subscribe and leave notifications on this video. Thumbs up this video and comment if you have any questions. Sound like a
Hi there. As you can see here, the handle broke off of this valve. That kind of sucks. So what I did is I ordered these other kind of handles from Amazon, and they look very similar to the current ones, but a little bit different. I'm just going to show you some differences. So what I'm going to do is just going to take these broken ones off. And as you can see, there's a metal thread in here. Unfortunately, the ones I got from Amazon, they're nothing but plastic. I tried finding the part numbers for these ones, but I can't. If anyone knows the part number, maybe just leave it in the description below. As you can see, these ones here are they fit. Just go like that, and they're a pretty good replacement. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks, bye.